Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Perth Stadium right now and we'll take a train to Thornlie from Perth Stadium. Today is Sunday, so we have some train services here in Perth Stadium. We have a Thornlie train coming in. Let's do to Thornlie. And also I want to say is for today off the stadium is packed with people. I think for this train also, as soon as the door open, everyone on the train will get off. 341. I will mark down numbers after the video. I will mark down numbers. Actually, there's not a lot of people on this train. That's surprising. Oh, there are the people over there. Let's do this car actually. It looks safer to film. Perth Stadium. Just a little bit of a special journey for today. Later on we'll have more normal journeys. Next is Burswood, doors open on the right.
Next station, Burswood.
You know what? I just gotta upload this video normally today on Sunday. Screw it. Later on at night there will be a bus journey premiere and then a live stream. So I'm gonna stay tuned to all of those. Burswood.
This is Burswood.
All the trains will stop at Perth Stadium today, so there are also some Armadale Line A pattern services. So
Next station, Victoria Park. Doors closing.
next station, Victoria Park. We'll end at Thornlie. We'll go all the way to Thornlie. It's an Armadale A pattern. It's just that include Perth Stadium, but yeah, doing soccer events. Armadale and Thornlie line also have tons of services. Up there is the shuttle service that we're just gonna park here all the way through in the middle track. So basically just gonna go, there's a middle track connecting these little sections, and then it will cut off the middle track when it hits the stations like Victoria Park and Carlisle. But they will have middle tracks letting the 6-car trains to park here until late night, then they can go back to Clarkson direction. They're not going to go to Butler apparently for these services, they only go to Clarkson.
This is Victoria Park.
Victoria Park. Also I want to figure out, are there toilets here at Victoria Park? Because yesterday I'm dying to use the toilet when I'm actually waiting for a train in Burswood, but I'm not so sure whether there's a toilet here. If there are no toilets here, I actually need to take the train all the way to Thornlie in order to actually get a toilet. But there are actually no toilets here, so the good choice is I did choose to take a train back out to Perth and then use the toilet there. And I'm also very lucky that I choose to take to Perth because the toilet in Perth is awesome. Not even joking, the toilet in Perth stations is awesome. It's like a capsule. Yes, it's just like a toilet on the plane. They use the system very similar to the toilet on the plane. Very cool. Next station, Carlisle.
Next station, Carlisle.
So for today, Armadale line services, Armadale Thornlie line services, it should be all A series. There shouldn't be any B series on the line today. B series should have all thrown over to Fremantle and Midland line services. And of course, some of the Joondalup line, and of course Mandurah and Joondalup line. And some of the shuttle services for Joondalup line as well. And also Fremantle line, there are also services for the shuttle services from Fremantle all the way to Perth Stadium, which pass through the normal stations and then hit Perth platform 6 and then head over to the stadium.
This is Carlisle.
But basically for all of those trains, they will be swapped according to the term. They will swap to, they're still on their own line, but it's basically Perth Stadium is part of the Armadale line, so that's why. No door opening for now.
Next station, Oates.
Next station, Oates.
Doors closing.
Doors closing. I'm not going to be taking this same train back out to Cannington and change back to Curtin. I will take 930 later on. Oat Street on the left.
Next station, Oates Street. This is Oates Street.
So tomorrow I will do one more time of train filming and then no more for the week. I guess in Adelaide. So
Next station, Welshpool.
that's why tonight I will contact my friend and my cousin, which they are both in Adelaide, to manage some of my schedules when I fly over, which the interstate travels are already reopened, have already reopened here, so I don't need to do any testings or anything, so I can just go over to Adelaide. When I come back to Perth, I don't even need to do anything. I just come back. There goes the 998. For Adelaide, I still need to do their own safe check-in, which is another app, my SA government app, to do the check-in, like Safe WA. Welshpool on the right again. And also they encourage wearing masks, but Perth only masks. Don't need to do any check-in, just come back anytime you want. I checked some of the other states, like New South Wales. You can enter New South Wales if you're not a close contact person and wear a mask, then you can enter. Yeah. This is Welshpool, which is going to disappear very soon. there's a C pattern, and then there's an A pattern train over there, which is from Armadale, because I don't see any letters next to the word Perth. For a T pattern, it will still say T, and C, it will still say C. But for all stops, it will just do Perth. So you can see just over there. The word just said Perth, no letters. So that means that's an Armadale line train stopping at all stations. The announcement will be for real. This train runs from Armadale to Perth, stopping at all stations, including Perth Stadium. So this train will be, this train runs from Perth to Thornlie, stopping at all stations. Stopping at all stations to Cannington, then Thornlie, including Perth Stadium. They do it like this way. They do it, this train runs from Perth to Thornlie, stopping at all stations to Cannington, then Thornlie. Because if you know, the track between from Cannington to Thornlie, we will pass through Beckenham, but we won't be stopping at Beckenham, so that's why they will have to cut at Cannington, stop at all stations to Cannington, then Thornlie. But for the announcement at Perth, the platform, it was just that Thornlie passengers, your next service departs in 2 minutes. This service stops all stations to Thornlie. They just do it like this way. But for the train, they do it like that. And also the other way back. This train runs from Thornlie to Perth, stopping at Cannington, then all stations to Perth. That's the announcement. Very cool, I think. Better than the annoying Armadale to Perth. This train runs from Armadale to Perth, stopping at all stations to Cannington, then Oat Street, Claysbrook, McIver, and Perth. That's just annoying. It's a little bit weird. Oh, Queen's Park on the right. Queen's Park on the right, mate. On the right, mate. Queen's Park. Yeah, Queen's Park on the right, mate. Wrong way. Door is like not opening over here. That's fine. There's like no one on the train, so.
Next station, Cannington.
Cannington.
Doors closing.
Now to make it interesting, I already pressed the button over there. So the door will open for Cannington. Actually,
Next station, Cannington. Change at Cannington. All stations, Beckenham to Armadale.
yeah, we have a weird door here. I just noticed that. Weird door with the stickers in the middle. Weird stickers in the middle. You can see right there, the top is not covered. The top is not covered. Over here, the top is covered. Normal stuff, or top will be covered. But over there, no cover at the top. Yeah, that's a weird door over there.
This is Cannington.
Change here for all stations, Beckenham to Armadale. Yeah, you see, they do it this way for Armadale line services. They said change here for all stations, Beckenham to Armadale. They do it this way. But for the Joondalup line service, when it terminates at Whitford, it just says all stations to Butler. Instead of saying stopping at all stations, Edgewater to Butler, like that. No, they just do Butler. Why? Next is Thornlie.
Doors closing.
Well, someone may be cutting the door, yep.
Doors closing.
I don't know which side will open. It's usually on the left, so we'll keep on the left for now. But for the 2 times that I've been to Thornlie, they are all on the right, which is the rarer platform. So I have no idea how they're gonna build towards Coburn. Would they just break the glass of the station? Because I already see they have already Thornlie, where this service terminates. Because at Thornlie station, you cannot even go anywhere. The track already have a stopper, so the trains cannot even go through. So they will remove the stopper and break the glass of the windows. I mean, break the window of the station and let the train keep going through. Or they will build another underground section or build a new part of Thornlie station for another interchange. But they said the Thornlie to Coburn link, they will be part of the Thornlie line, so they should be part of the Thornlie line, so they should use the same track. I have no idea how they're gonna build it then. They're just gonna break the glass probably. Alright, here's Beckenham, skipped. Ready to get on the ground. There's only one track that actually goes to Thornlie, so but for today the Thornlie services are pretty scarce, so because due to there are A patterns for the Armadale line services, they sometimes, I think they will reduce the amount of Thornlie trains to 30 minutes per train. So here we go, going underground. Here we go, underground. Alright, Thornlie. No, this is not the main part of Thornlie. This is like in the middle of nowhere. And here's Thornlie coming in, entering, and we need to enter very slowly. I need to press the button. Just in case it also opened on the right, we're going to press both sides. Let's see which side is open. It looks like it's going to be on the left. But it needs to slow down first because of the stupid system that it do, because it's manual, so that's why they need to slow down before entering the station in case they bump into the bumper. Yeah, on the left, okay. In Hong Kong, we have auto systems for the trains, so that's why the computer knows where to stop, when to slow down, and will stop around the stopping spot instead of crashing. But manual, you need to really slow down on your own and drive slowly until the bumper and stop.
This is Thornlie Station.
This service terminates here. And this will be TB again, going back the other way. TB means stops at Perth Stadium. TA is normal service. TC is Beckenham, stop at Beckenham as well. Here is Thornlie. Alright, arrived at Thornlie, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so they can get notifications when I post. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. Click on these videos up top, and I'll see you guys later. Peace!